I'm Philip Roman, this is Michelle Roman. We're from Tampa area in Florida. We took this intermediate course today to find out more about resin rock. We've seen so many social media videos on this resin rock flooring, and we just wanted to put our hands on it, see what it felt like, see how easy it was to be able to trowel it out. And the mixers that Barrow's made here, amazing. You know, we were able to actually get our hands on, able to see the mixers, see how the rock gets in there, put the polyurethane through, and it just was a very good class to be informative, to get this done on your own. Just starting out to try to get our house worked in order, and I think this is a very good option for interior or exterior. So we were very proud to be here and finish our class.